Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to remove a front bumper on a 2018 Honda Accord. First, we open the hood.
So you want to remove the clips off the top bumper or the radiator cover. So we went ahead and loosened all of them except these two here. And you can remove that with a panel clip remover or a flathead screwdriver just by wedging it into the very top and then popping it up. Be careful not to break the tabs. Sometimes they get, the old ones will break easily. This goes without saying, but don't lose those clips because you will need them. And they also tend to be around $2 or more at the dealership per clip.
Underneath, there are also clips just like this underneath.
So I look on the bottom, see if there's any more clips, and there is. You don't need to jack the car up or raise it up.
You can for more space.
It's easier. We're almost done. Getting to the last three. So sometimes they will get stuck. You just got to work it out. There it is.
Everybody take off the splash shield too.
Alright, so we're taking off the splash shield. And why are we taking out the splash shield?
Just so it's easier to access, like right here. It gets it out of the way.
Gonna just pull it out. It should slide out from the bumper. Look at all those clips. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Bottom straight up.
About 18 clips just on the bottom. So as you can see, we turned the wheel to get better access to the wheel well. And there's gonna be, well, there's always a bolt at the very top where the fender meets.
1, 2, There's a clip right here, and then there's a bolt.
Okay, so 2 screws, a clip, and then a bolt up top. And you get away. It's 1 screw. Second screw.
This is actually a screw.
That's a screw, okay. Not a bolt, not a clip, it's a screw. Oh, it's a bolt, okay. Not a bolt, that's a screw. Where's the clip?
Right here.
Okay, let's see if we can get that. So 3 screws, 1 clip. And then just gently pull the bumper off the bumper retainer and off the the headlight. What are you looking at?
Clip right there.
As you can see, every single bumper, as you can see, is clipped onto the bumper retainer, and normally underneath the headlight there's headlight, I guess, bezel or bracket it clips into. So we're just going to repeat on the passenger side.
Right, turn the wheel.
So we turn the wheel again. This allows for better access. Now, as you can see, we're only removing the bolts, or the screws, sorry, and the clip that are attached to the bumper. You don't have to remove anything else.
That one just turns. We'll have to get that one out later.
So that top screw is just spinning because it's broken. So be careful with the fog lights, you do have to unplug them. So don't let the bumper rip off or fall. Let's get the other side. So it's easy if you just remove it off the bumper and then you can unclip it, but you don't have to.
And that's how you remove the front bumper on a 2018 Honda Accord. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.